Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by John from LHPU. John, how are you doing today?
Doing great. Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Well, thank you so much for being here. In today's video, we are going to be addressing some of the people who take training courses at LHPU. And you're going to be telling us what types of people come to LHPU for those training courses. So with that, I'm just going to turn that question right over to you.
Yeah, we have a wide variety of students that take our training. At least we're trying to get that way. Most of the time, our training has been college students that have a master's degree or bachelor's degree, college fresh outs that are looking to bridge the gap in their professional career to stand out and continue success on that career ladder. We also are trying to diversify the type of candidates that we want in our training. So we have now sought out after those who are looking to get back into the workforce. Maybe they want workforce reentry, or professionals that are looking to get training and get a new position. Maybe they are excited about their current role or opportunity. So now we have a night and weekends training. We're also moving to take training as you can on your own time, so that we can take advantage of some of those, stay-at-home moms or whoever is looking to take our training and get back into the workforce. Or like I said, those engineers that are looking to maybe have a job change and need to come and learn about what we do.
All right, John. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about the different types of people who are attending these LHPU training courses. And, you said it, you have different 6-week courses or nights and weekends. It really fits into anyone's schedule. So if that sounds like you, and maybe you're interested in LHPU, you're interested in learning a little bit more, you can get in contact with them. You can give them a call, or you can get in touch with John and his team by visiting online at lhpu.com. Thanks again, John.
Thanks a lot.